What do you see outside? Careful. Sit down on your bum. On your bum, monkey. Are you going to sit down for me? Thank you. Thank you, honey. Is that right? What's that book you're reading? What's it called? The Busy Garage? What do you see? Is that the school bus? Where's the helicopter? Where's the motorbike? Did they fix the car? Are they able to go to the fair? Would you like to go with them? What do you think?